Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing good. In this video, I really want you to show you guys how the Western Ghats will look like during the monsoon season. This video is all about KANDHANPARA Waterfalls, which is located in Wayanad District in Kerala state. Exactly, KANDHANPARA Waterfalls is located in northern Kerala, that is having MEPPADI and KALPETTA as nearest town. We came by car, so transportation didn't make it so tough, but you can also come via bus through MEPPADI bus stand, which is 8 km from KANDHANPARA Waterfalls. While planning, we had also few options including very famous MEENMUTTI Waterfalls and SOOCHIPPARA Waterfalls in Kerala. Here comes the question why we chose KANDHANPARA Waterfalls comparing MEENMUTTI Waterfalls and SOOCHIPPARA Waterfalls. Let me explain. There is 2 points which convinced us to go KANDHANPARA Waterfalls. Which is, the first is you don't have to walk too much distance to reach the waterfalls. And second, it's a good place when it comes to taking bath. At last we reached KANDHANPARA Waterfalls. It was raining heavily. The officials at the entrance said you can't allow to take bath as the flow of water is so high. So we plan to just look at the flow of water in KANDHANPARA Waterfalls. Look at the view guys, rain plus foggy climate plus full flow of waterfall. What else do we want? Although we got little disappointed for not taking bath, but we understood the reality. Also we spent little time here looking at the flow of waterfall. It was very pleasing. Here is the picture I have attached how KANDHANPARA waterfall will look in normal days. Obviously we can take bath in this less flow, but it's not worth the view like now. So without any regret we moved on to the next travel looking at this very beautiful KANDHANPARA waterfalls. Hope you guys like this video. Do subscribe and support the channel. Meet you guys in the next video. Until then, bye bye.